Okay, I'm gonna play this video of this YouTuber. He's gonna, if you wanna make your Windows virus proof, watch this video.
Video that I promised, and here it is. I'm going to be talking about how to set up App Blocker, a very comprehensive tutorial. App Blocker is basically a tool in Windows 10 and 11 Pro editions and up that lets you create a locked down version of Windows using a whitelist or allow list strategy for what programs can even run. So no viruses can just run without your knowledge because they are not explicitly allowed, for example. And I've talked about previously how App Blocker is one of the big reasons why I was not hacked a few weeks ago, even though I accidentally downloaded a malicious script and it actually tried to run. Now, I want to be clear, this is definitely not for everyone. It is going to have a big trade-off in convenience versus security. You'll be able to still run any programs you want, but you might have to occasionally go in and create specific rules for every program, but at the same time, that also makes it theoretically impossible, or at least extremely unlikely, that you'll accidentally run a virus, or more likely, a program you do trust will download something that is malicious and run it without you knowing, which is what happened to me. Now, of course, nothing is ever 100%. There could be exploits that get around things, but I would say this is the strongest security strategy you can use because it's proactive instead of reactive. So if you're someone like me who is completely paranoid when it comes to computer security, then this is right up your alley.
Okay, I cannot play the entire video, but you saw his channel, so watch his channel.